how to block SIM card when phone is lost. Okay, so what you have to do first is to simply contact their service provider. Okay, what you have to do is simply locate the Chrome icon on your phone and then tap on it, and then from Google come and then search for the website of your service provider. So mine is MTN Ghana, and I'm simply going to search it, and when it comes, simply go to the official site of your service provider, just like this one. Okay, so mostly under it, you are going to have this option, that is the chat bot option. Okay, so when you tap on the chat bot, mostly they are going to show you that you can chat with the chat bot. Okay, just like this one. Okay, so when you come down here, it says start a new conversation, and then you can choose any of these. So I'm going to select WhatsApp. Okay, and it's going to take me directly to the customer care line of my service provider. So mine is MTN. Okay, Ghana. All that I have to do now is to simply contact them, okay, by telling them that my SIM card is stolen and then I want a new replacement. Okay, so automatically they are going to send me this automated response. Okay, so this one I have to come and then enter in a code which has been sent, or I can continue as a guest. Okay, so I'm simply going to continue as a guest, and then when I click on continue as a guest, I'm going to get an auto respond as well. Okay, so just like this one, it is asking me what does it have to do to help me. Okay, so I'm simply going to select SIM swap. So you can go through the exact same process when it comes, okay, to yours. Okay, so that I simply come and then enter the letter E to cancel it. Okay, so when you cancel it, it's going to ask you what can it do again, and in order to have to do, simply come and then select chat with an agent. Okay, so they are saying that they are going to provide me with an online agent that I can contact and then tell the person exactly what I want. Okay, so when the agent comes, all that you have to do is simply tell them that your phone is stolen and then you want them to give you a replacement. That is it. So this is how to get your old SIM card blocked when you lose it, because the moment they give you a replacement, that old SIM card is going to be blocked. Okay, so like the video and then see you in my next video.